I've got Corsa. It's got a hard brake pedal. Hard brake pedal. It comes to emergency stop. The car pulses down the road, which is not good. Be cold reading. The brake pedal went to a normal brake pedal rather than it being hard like it was. Went to being a normal pedal. Wouldn't give me. There's no codes in it, no ABS lights on it, no faults in there. There is live data where I thought, because it'll come up as active or at least show me something, but it doesn't. It does not show me an awful lot. With it. So then as the brake pedal went to a normal pedal with it being plugged in the car, as soon as you unplug the scanner and cycle the ignition key, it goes back to being a hard brake pedal. So either there's an issue with the second-hand ABS pump. So ABS pumps there. Now you can see what I'm showing you. So second-hand ABS unit. All you do, either compressed air or a squirty canister of WD. Pour in to them two inlets. They're your outlets. So if you use compressed air, you'll see out of them outlets, as soon as you put compressed air in to the inlets, sorry, at them outlets you will see brake fluid coming up, and that's what you want. On a faulty ABS unit, you will have one of these ports that will be closed off. All you got to do for a second-hand unit, match your part numbers up. So my top number is 265232288. The number next to it is 132828282. Doesn't matter the number below. It's a date stamp more than anything, because this says 110902-2-2015. So I think that's just a batch or a product number with a date stamp in it. We'll be taking the ECU or module control unit off to swap with that one. This one's off a 1.3 CD TI one. So as long as your part numbers match, doesn't matter so much when you code these units in. I think you can use Tech 2 or the MDI unit. So you can code them in. Obviously the code number, the part numbers don't matter then, but I've not got anything to code it in the vehicle. So part numbers need to be the same. So all I'm using now is an 11mm brake pipe spanner, just to crack the unions off. Normal 11mm, so it should be easier to get a quarter drive ratchet on a 10mm this brake pedal, give it a few pumps. Yes, I will pour water all over where it is. So, let me go out there. You want to get as much light as you can because you want to see which ones are dripping. And tighten each one individually. So, let me know in the comments as well how your Christmas has been, what you've been up to. So, just been and road tested this. Coil spring's broken, so I've messaged her, taken a picture for her. It's quite a lot of rust build up, so indicating that coil spring's been snapped for quite a while. So I'll wait for a reply for it. Pads are good, just been and road tested it. It's all good, just need to, and then that'll be good. Oh, I didn't tell you. ABS pump. Seems to be, as long as the part number's the same on the valve body, they will swap over and you don't even have to change the module. Been and road tested the car. There's no ABS light triggering on. There's certainly no codes in it on the ABS. So when I took that old pump there on the floor, with that valve body. Now I could be wrong, I'm not a Vauxhall specialist, but when you put the air line on the two inlets, I'm getting air out of all four ports, but when you plug the diagnostic machine in, it goes right using the module that's on this valve body. The brake pedal's nice, but when you unplug it and you do a key cycle, it goes back to being a hard brake pedal. So either there must be an issue with that module, so that valve body should be okay. So the mechanics are okay, just that the electronic side is bad.